Okay, so this is lesson 1.10. Those are your standards right there, so copy those down. And then the lesson's name is Represent Volume with Expressions. And your objective is to be able to find volume of figures composed of rectangular prism using different methods. So right here in the first method that we see, on this one right here. So on this one right here, we have two rectangular prisms, right? So we have the yellow one, which we can find the area by doing my length and my width and my height, which gives me 6 centimeters cubed. And then the green one is this one right here. So again, 2 times 1 times 1, right? So that's 2. I'm going to add those together because I am putting them together. So that will give me 8 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's my volume for that one. I can also do it in this other way right here, right? So I can decompose it where I have this rectangular prism on top. And so my volume for that one is say 2, right? Because see, from here to here is 2. I need 2 more to get to 4. So that's 2, and then my width is 1. How tall is this? 2 is given to me, so that's 4 centimeters cubed. And then over here on the blue one, I have this one, so I have a 4 by 1 by 1, which is 4. And again, I'm going to add those two together, and I get the same answer. Okay, but let's look at the last one right here. This one, what I can do is I can take this as the whole rectangular prism, right? So then it's my 4 by 1 by 3. That's going to give me 12 cubic centimeters. But then I can remove this part right here in the yellow because that's basically not there. So then I can find the volume for that one, which is a 2 by 1 by 2, which gives me 4. And because I'm removing that part from it, I'm going to subtract, okay? So I'm going to subtract right there. So 12 minus 4 is 8 cubic centimeters. So I get exactly the same volume by doing that. It's just a different way that I can do it. Okay, so make sure that you copy this down at the best of your abilities. Let me quickly show you how to do the rectangular prisms in case you're wondering. Okay, so you create the 2D shape and then you do your diagonals like so, and then you basically make lines that are parallel to this. So parallel to that, parallel to this, and parallel to that. Alrighty? Thank you. See you next time.